This is through the legal lens. I was making a movie about Baltimore's politics, the state of Maryland, the state of Illinois, about Jim Crow justice. I am DRED Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? I'm the cook in Baltimore. I worked at the Corinthians for like 15 years. All right, for 15 years. That's Jim Jordan from the House Judiciary Committee, Rayburn Building. Like I said, I'm making a documentary. Everything is documented. Duane G.Davis, Sr. is a resident of Maryland's 7th Congressional District, seeks to come before the committee in the Judiciary House Representatives. All right? I want to go in front of the House Representatives and I want to take this information to the grand jury. All right? That's our delegates. Delegate Pasteur and Senator Ferguson. That's Kwesi Mfume. All right? That's Kwesi Mfume with this letter. And see the date? Almost 2 years and nobody did nothing yet. This is a book and a movie called The Minority Report. And it's an outhouse, and I'm out in our representatives. That's Heddleman, that's Alsobrooks, that's Clippinger, that's Stein, that's Vanessa Attenberry, that's Cardens. All right? Social media for social change, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. This is the book, and this is the contents of the book. Lake County Sheriff's Department. See that? And that's the Department of Justice, Eric Holder. We're talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. See the date? 2000 what? That's P.O. Box 38. That's Patrick Fitzgerald from the Department of Justice. All right? Like I said, this is all in the book. Makes it a class action lawsuit because you did it to a class of people. All right? You did it to a class of people. And these are the people that signed off on this. So Caylin Young, this is for you and the representatives in the state of Maryland and Illinois, and Mayor Brandon Scott, Mayor Sam Cunningham. These are the supporters of Shorties. It's from 2006. That's 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages, 7, 8. See the pages? These are the supporters of Shorties. And that's who they send it to. All right? Movie release. Barbara Mikulski. Filming a documentary. That's Barbara Mikulski. That's Senator Ben Cardens. I was illegally incarcerated for making a documentary about Maryland's prison industry. See the date? 2015. That's Senator Cardens. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. All right? Delegates. It's all right here. County Executive. Josh Davison from Hearst. All the emails. That's John Cardens. Mike Shue. Delegate Cardens. And this is the ACLU, because I'm showing you the role that they play in it too. That's the ACLU. And they sent this information back. You stood up for Kilmar Garcia, but you won't stand up for me. It's right there, and that's 2014. That's the ACLU. All right? It's all right there. That's 2014, 2015, Congressman Elijah Cummings. All right? 2014. False imprisonment, police brutality, judicial fraud, prisoner's right advocate. It's all right there. So Ivan Bates, what you gonna do? Attorney General Anthony Brown? It's right here. Identity theft, income tax evasion, fraud. All right? All through the legal lens. Leaders of a beautiful struggle got this. Our delegates got this. I'd free a lot more if you knew you were slaves. Ain't that what Harriet Tubman said? Leaders of a beautiful struggle. You ain't opened your mouth about this. You feel me? But you the leaders. Like I said, Caylin Young got this. And this is what this is about. Michelle Alexander wrote the book, The New Face of Old Jim Crow. Well, I made the movie. And I named the politicians. And I did it through art. Letters Design is a documentary. It's a movie. It covers slavery from 1959 to now. All right? And that's a legacy of slavery in Maryland. So from 1959 to now, I'm showing you about slavery. 1402 Lochner, Mr. Bailey, all right? And it's all right here for the public to see. The Black Arts District, the making of Black America. And that's notarized. That makes it legal in any state in this country. That's the city paper. See that? Like I said, I'm the cook in Baltimore. This is in 2010. I am DRED Scott. So we're going to take this to court. These are rules of the Supreme Court, all right? And our representatives got to sign off on this. DRED Scott, Supreme Court 2025. See our representatives? And that's Brooke Learman. Plain and clear. For those formerly impacted by incarceration, right here, and these are our representatives: Attorney General Anthony Brown, Department of Justice Eric Barron, President Biden, Governor Wes Moore. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. And I blew the whistle on Malcolm Ruff on February the 2nd, 2011. That's the state's attorney's office. Malcolm Ruff was at the state's attorney's office. Y'all seen me at Caylin's event last night. Jackie seen me. Everybody seen me. So Malcolm Ruff, y'all talking about a tire? Well, Ruff, it's gonna be rough on you for this election. I was kidnapped by the state. A person may not make or cause to be made a statement or report or complaint that the person knows is false. All right? And that's what Scott Schellenberger did, and that's what the state of Illinois did. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm still alive and breathing. So Ivan Bates, you got work to do. You running for office. You freed Keith Davis. I want a trial. I want a trial. I want a trial. Through the legal lens, I want a trial. And it's right here. Private citizen appearing before the grand jury. July 24th, 2007. All right? I've exhausted my remedies under the law. You feel me? And that's Frank Conway. And that's Judge Bell. And these are the supporters of Shorties. And that's the Baltimore beat. The beat goes on. So Mayor Brandon Scott, it's all up to you now. It's up to you, kid. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Because you got my paperwork. I don't hear you laughing no more. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. We're gonna unmask Baltimore. Everything you got to turn over. I'm a copywritten criminal. Ain't no law against making a movie. You the star of the show. A body of politics? Yeah, it's a body of politics. The politics behind mass incarceration.